Alright guys, how's it going? Got these locks I got from Bobby Keys, and inside of it was this lock from Texas Lock Picker. And I thought I'd give it a shot. Put her in the vise and see if we can't get her picked and gutted. Got my keys hanging on my vise here. Got some binder clips. That's kind of cool. Alright, let's see if we can't get this thing open. Like a little bit of false set already. Hope I didn't overset that pin. And 4 feels like it's talking a little bit. A little bit more of a false set. And there it is. All right. See if we can't get this thing gutted. Oh. Going the wrong way here. I clamped it down pretty tight because don't want to ruin on you. All right. Let's get our tools out. And let's see what's inside this thing. Okay. Let's see. Maybe we should lock her up and put the key back in it. Let's see what the key looks like. That's what the key looks like. And then looks like we might need a shim here. I don't have many shims. Let's see if I can find one. shim's not wanting to go in there. Alright, let's just see if we can try it here. Hopefully that'll cover the end of that, hopefully. And no. There we go. Oh, that's why this thing's so hard to gut here. Alright. Alright, so we'll put this down. And we'll see what we got going here. Looks like we got a couple pins we gotta find out where they're gonna go. 3, 4. Hopefully. Yeah, I keep losing more pins, so this should be. Alright guys, well, it's no wonder this thing came apart on me. But there's the other pin. I was wondering where that went. Alright, so we got that. Let's see if we can't get this put back together. I'm gonna probably have to go look at Bobby's video to get it back together right, but let's see what we got. I think from the looks of things, this one goes here. Let's see. Oops. See if I can't get that in there right. Alright, yeah, see, that's how that goes. Alright, and after looking at it, I'm guessing something like this. That was in one. So, I'm just going to leave the springs that are in there, but we got like so. We got that one was in 3. That one was in 4. Oops, it was that way, I believe. We got this one in 5. This one in 2. And this one in 1. Alright. And I will go back and I will check out the video to figure it out. Oh, let's see. And those are also threaded, you guys. You got 1, 2, and 4 threaded, and it looks like that's it. And it looks like they are all threaded in there also. And here are your pins. Beautiful pins. This Texas lock picker, good job on these on these pins. And wow, you really put a lot of work in this core. Sorry I blew the gutting of it, but look at that. And I thought I seen on the key, it looked like that those were meant kind of like a Medco to turn those, the ones that had slots. Like here, let me show you. The ones that have slots in the top, it looks like these little slots fit inside of them. Okay, so that fits into that one. And what looks like he took Medco's advice and made the key to where it would turn the key pin so that those slots would fit right. But alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Sorry I blew that gutting, but I mean, how could you expect me not to, really? If you don't have consent, keep your pick to yourself. Thanks a lot. Alright, bye.